Did you know snoring isn't just an annoying nighttime sound? It's your body struggling for smooth airflow. When you sleep, the muscles in your throat relax, and if the airway becomes narrow, the air vibrates the soft tissues, creating that familiar snore. Nearly 40% of adults snore regularly, and men are more likely to snore than women. But here's the surprising part. Loud snoring can sometimes be a sign of sleep apnea, a condition where breathing actually stops for a few seconds during sleep. So that harmless sound might be your body asking for attention. Snoring isn't just noise, it's nighttime science at work. Subscribe to know more.